Hi, good evening. Welcome to Wealth Mill Securities Weekly Market Wrap. Uh, as you all aware, the markets have been going through a very unusual times, and it's very volatile times in the history of stock markets. We thought in the initial stage of this market volatility was concerned, we thought it was like 2008. Then, after seeing the ferocity of the market volatility and how the market was behaving currently, what we thought was it was a fall like 2008 fall. But 2008 fall is more like it was a financial crisis. And the analyst went to check, is this is the fall like 1987? No. And there were major severe falls during the Second World War and previously at Great Depression in 1929. But altogether, the fall uh, has the kind of severity that market is witnessing currently has not seen in past 100 years. These are the very unusual times in the market that stock markets are witnessing. Uh, and for me, I never witnessed a US market halting for 15 minutes on a regular basis. Uh, so these are the events that are taking place in the stock markets across the globe. India is not an exception. It's happening across the globe. And the point I'm trying to tell you, our investors, is uh, the first and foremost thing what we need to keep in mind is it's not a financial crisis, or it's not a, a man-made war, but it is a, a pandemic disease which nobody have any clue. There is no vaccination, there is no medicine, everybody aware. If you switch on any newspaper, if you open any newspaper, or if you switch on any TV, the first thing is COVID-19. But what is the impact that's going to create on equity markets as a whole? This is the whole question. The first and foremost thing is, due to this uh, terrified virus, first thing is the economies come to standstill. The business activities take a pause. How many days is the big question. Normally, if we understand the ferocity of and uh, the origin of this virus was at China, and China was a completely locked down economy for nearly 45 days. Now the China is coming onto the path, and things have been improving at China. You might be thinking, how can I make that statement? Because of the sources we have, we could able to see. And just yesterday, I was attending a investor con call of analyst con call of a company by name, a automobile company, which supplies automobile accessories to different major automobile players across the globe, including Tesla. The company name is Mothers and Sumi. They have operations in 40 countries with nearly 260 260 plants across these 40 countries. Among these 260 plants, 30 plants are from China, and their 29 plants are operational, and one plant they are going to start the operations by Monday. So what does it mean? It gives, and I want to tell you one more point. Their 80% of their the manual workforce, they are started working because of Chinese New Year. Also, there are some people who are on an extended holiday, and COVID-19 also one of the main reason. But the point they're trying to tell is uh, the revival is coming back. The life is coming to normalcy in China. So right now, the ferocity of this virus is in Europe and again in US. Coming, the ferocity is coming to India also. So how far the virus impact will be there on Indian economy? Of course, there will be a definitely impact will be there on Indian economy. The probability is our GDP number might also slow down, slow down in the days to come. But even in fact, I'm staying in Mumbai, and the government have announced a complete lockdown of complete shutdown of the entire system in Mumbai. Nothing to fear. It is the system. Government has been taking very good measures to stop the spread of this contagious virus. Of course, at Wealth Mill Securities, we are all open, and there are some special directives from the government of Maharashtra, from CMO of Maharashtra. It categorically states people who are in stockbroking, they clearly mention they can open uh, uh, the offices. So we are all here, we are open, and we are very much secure. First of all, my staff and everyone are secured, and we are there to uh, ensure your investment activity as usual. This is one thing. I'm coming back to the Motherson Sumi, such a global giant in automobile accessories. Uh, it's a very good credible information that uh, uh, in China things are improving. The same thing might take place at various parts of the world, but but due to this halt, due to this pause of different nations, how much this disease, or how much the impact will create, this disease will create on the economic growth, is we need to wait and watch. So to overcome this halt, what United States Federal Reserve has been keep on doing is they are reducing the interest rates. They reduced the interest rate to almost zero. And if you check all the bond yields in United States, starting from 2-year bond yield, 10-year bond yield, and 30-year bond yield, these bond yields are currently near to all-time lows, and they are around 1% of the bond yield, if you observe. And based on that, uh, steps taken by the United States Federal Reserve, other central banks also reducing their interest rates, and they are infusing money into the banking system. But as far India is concerned, we are just waiting for a rate cut in India, and the monetary policy is scheduled in April. But there are some news going here and there. We might expect a rate cut in the initial date itself, but we need to wait and watch what kind of and what is the quantum of rate cut we are going to get. That also a big question in India. So there will be a rate cut, but we are not sure how much the rate cut, because our Indian Reserve Bank of India is always very conservative in terms of the giving rate cuts to the to the economy and to the monetary policy. Uh, Coming back to what is the situation in Indian equity markets, the prime one, everyone asks. Of course, the morning and evening what we are checking is Dow futures, how it's behaving. Whether Dow futures is up, Indian economy is getting, Indian stock markets are up. If the Dow futures are down, we are simply a replica of Dow futures currently. The primary factors that influence the stock market, I just want to refresh your memories, or I just want to give some insights about how stock market runs. There are two factors that influence the stock market performance. One is the primary, the second one is the secondary reason. The first and foremost, the primary reason, how the stock market, the factors that influence the stock market is, the primary reason is, first and foremost, is the sentiment. The second one is the liquidity. Third one is valuations. These are the primary reasons. The first and foremost factor that influences the stock market is sentiment. Currently, due to COVID-19, the sentiment of market is at extremely low. Uh, and the second one is liquidity. There is ample liquidity, but due to this sentiment, people are not able to, the institutions are not able to invest. Of course, the Indian domestic investors, they have been continuous buyers in Indian stock markets. That's a very good sign. Otherwise, the fall would have been much more worse. And the third one is valuations. It's a very tricky one, measuring the valuation. Normally, there is a open joke in stock market. Normally, when an analyst analyzes a company, or an analyst comes up with a report in stock market, when a stock price is, for example, at 1,000 rupees, uh, people in stock market says the price is very attractive, we'll go and buy. Or if the stock market are trading at an all-time high, uh, people will tell your neighbors, your friends, and at the dining tables, people discuss about stock market, and they tell market is going to go up when the stock market is trading at an all-time high. But when market comes down, or the same stock price comes down, when people who said it's very attractive level at a higher price, when the stock price corrects nearly 30-40%, they will say still it's very expensive stock. So it's very tricky to measure the valuations, but currently what we believe is majority of the stock valuations are very attractive in India for investments. There are some stocks available at a very throwaway prices. So that's why we request our investors, there's no need to panic. We are all long-term investors who want to participate in the India's strong growth story. How we need to participate in India's growth story is by just investing in quality, good, large and mid cap and small cap companies also. So this fall, the COVID-19 gives an opportunity to all to again, if we missed a company which has been which has been taken off, now it is in landing. Now the prices have landed. You can re-enter again. It gives an opportunity. I always quote. I have written a article in 2008. I will share it with you through all our investors, which is called Time Machine. The stock market is like a time machine. It always gives an opportunity to get the prices back again. Most of the stocks, I mean to say. So there are some certain stocks I really thought for our investors, we missed the stock price for these stocks, we cannot buy more. We have been buying more for that particular stock. I just want to tell you, it's not a stock recommendation, but just to tell you, ICICI Prudential Life, the stock of a insurance company stock in India, we have been buying this particular company. When there were no buyers also, we were buying. When no one was talking about an insurance, life insurance sector in India, at Wealth Mills, we were buying these stocks for our investors. We bought at a very throwaway prices, and the stock went nearly 60 to 70% in a span of 12 months. The stock, there is a rally in that stock price starting from 260 rupees to it touched an all-time high of 547 rupees. It touched. So I thought, oh, we missed this stock. We can't buy more at those kind of valuations, because we are very sure the valuations are a bit stretched at 547. Currently yesterday, we could be able to buy the same stock at 280 and 260 levels, which we can build up those kind of stocks, those kind of portfolios to all our investors. So this kind of market falls gives a good opportunity to build up your portfolio. And as I was sharing about Mothers and Sumi in the beginning of our conversation now, Mothers and Sumi as a auto ancillary stock, that stock got listed in the year 1993. And from 1993 to 2000, the performance of that stock is not up to the mark. Starting from 2001 to the peak of 2013, after the fall of 2008 also, the stock went up by nearly Just to refresh my memory, just to refresh my memory, 2,176 times. 2,176 times. If you are invested 2,500 rupees in this stock, the current value of this particular stock is 54 lakhs 40,414. Just think it up by 2,176 times. I'm talking about not percentage, but times. See the kind of humongous wealth this stock has created for the investors. So stick for long term, and whenever these kind of quality stocks that comes down, okay, go and buy. And these are the times market will give you an opportunity, and we can accumulate these stocks more to your portfolios. So the first thing is, at present the sentiment is weak, due to that people are not buying. But when the valuations are attractive, start buying. And I'm telling you how much we can buy. This is the big question for all the investors. If you have, for example, like 100 rupees to invest, start with 15% now, and gradually in a staggered manner you can increase your quantity as things unfold in the days to come. But just remember, we are in the month of March 2020. But if we come back exactly 1 year later, people will think we missed the opportunity. That's how market behaves. This is all with me. I wish you, all my investors, please take care, because you all know the enough information was provided on COVID-19. Please do take care, and apart from wealth, health also extremely important for all our investors. So I wish you all take care about your good health due to this the consequences that comes from through this virus. Thank you. This is all from me. Thank you.